Hello everybody, this is Geodroid John again, and an update on the Ramen Support. So this is an Ironman Mark 7 glove, and very complex geometries. Printed at the same time this was, which came out very great in translucent red. But let's talk about the Ramen Supports. This is what came off the other one. And I developed the Ramen Support process because I didn't like the way my hands hurt after removing support material. So I developed this process. And it skips every other layer, so it allows you to have higher print quality on the print and still have easy to remove, or easier to remove, support over other support materials. So let's take it all off. It pops off very easy, and you give it 2 or 3 dense layers in the top, and you can actually just push it right off. But obviously, with a phone right here in the middle, it's kind of hard. Try not to knock over the phone, but I've printed with all kinds of supports before, and this is by far the easiest for very complex geometries like this, with lots of overhangs and organic shapes. And it leaves very little marring, which is good. And my hands are not sliced to bits because I'm not printing small little slices of support material. It's all overlapped like in a grid. So kind of just crumbles like top ramen out of the bag. So that is an update on the Ramen Support.